Hey, Big Papa here. Let's have some fun. Got a little egg wash. Got a little panko. Some desert gold. Because breadcrumbs really need a little more love. Okay. A little egg wash. We've got some Icelandic cod and some desert gold seasoned panko. Okay, here we go. We're going to deep fry on the griddle, on the Twin Eagles teppanyaki. And we're going to let this get nice and hot, okay? And then we're going to put our fish there. We're going to have a thermometer. We want to pull this off about 140 degrees. So what I'm going to do is get the one side really crispy. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to put cheese on top of it, put a dome on it, and it should be really good. I think we got some heat here. I think we're ready. This is fun. Boy, is it fun. Let me get some butter here melted. We like butter. So here comes the first one. While we're getting ready for this, let me do some tartar sauce. Desert Gold livens it up. The citrus, the garlic, the sesame. Move this off. Okay, I think it's time for some cheese. American cheese. Of course, we're recreating an iconic American sandwich. Almost done. Let's toast the brioche. Let me get these nice and toasted. Okay, this is fun. I love griddle toasted buns. Okay, let's build these up. Tartar. Okay, let's put a little butter lettuce, the bottom bun. A little tomato. There's our fish. Sandwich. There we have it. Perfect.